Thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi itanyite kuhe ciana 250 irio rungu rwa mutaratara wa irio mathukuru-ini uria ukambiriria muthenya wa mbere wa term ya gatatu mwaka uyu. Mutaratara uyu urakinyanirio kuhitukira waki wa MARIKO thiini wa icigo ciothe cia ubunge. Umuthi gavana wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja akiruguria waki wa riko ria 10 thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa ROYSAMBU igongona-ini riria rigukinyitio ni mutongoria wa bururi William RUTO, minister wa githomo Ezekiel Machogu hamwe na atongoria angi.
School feeding is not a function of county government. It is true. It is not a function of county government. It is not a function of national government. It's a function of leadership. It is something that you cannot ignore. We cannot see a problem, Your Excellency, and say this is not mine to do. We must put concerted effort.
Sakaja augite tabarira ino iri huthiraga ciringi bilioni 1.2 o mwaka na hari mbeca ici o muciari arirutaga ciringi 5 o muthenya ukiringithania na tabarira ingi o ta ici ikoretwo igithie na mbere kuria aciari mabataranagia kuruta muigana wa ciringi 60 niguo arutwo maheo irio mathukuru-ini.
I want to thank our partners because the cost of a meal at 45 shillings, the county is paying 25 shillings, SIF is paying 15 shillings, na mzazi analipa shilingi 5 peke yake. 5 bob, kobole. We're using a technology where mtoto anavaa saa ambapo you can load, you can send them pesa today, you can send for a month, you can send for a week. But even that child who doesn't have that 5 shillings, Your Excellency, we will feed. We will not watch a child not getting food because of 5 shillings.
Hari o gicigo kia ubunge thukuru umwe ni ucaguritwo kuria riko rigukorwo rigiakwo mibango mikinyaniru ikigathiko gutigirira thukuru icio ingi ciothe ni iria mukagira irio mathaa maria magiriire.
We have ground broken in Sare constituency, Race Course Primary, Makadara, BD Primary, Kasarani, Njiru Primary, Embakasi South, Kwanjenga Primary, Embakasi Central, Kayole 1 Primary, in Dagoretti North, Mudangari Primary, in Kibra, Toy Primary, in Westlands, Farasi Lane, Roraka, Babadogo.
Akiaria hindi ya igongona riri, mutongoria wa bururi ni ERANIIRE KUHURA NJEKI tabarira ino, akiranira kuheana muigana o ta uria thirikari ya kaunti gukorwo ikiruta tabarira-ini ino na to kaunti-ini ya Nairobi tu.
We are going to match counties who have a plan on school feeding program, shilling for shilling. And if we do that, we can actually feed 8 million children in our schools.
Ihinda-ini riu thirikari ni ERANIIRE kuhuthira muigana wa ciringi bilioni 3 cia waki wa irathi 3,500 niguo kunyihia muhatikano wa arutwo thukuru-ini ciothe cia muthingi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ihinda-ini ria miaka 3 yukite. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Ngina wa Waduro.